Here's how to fix screen flickering while watching Netflix on your PC. If Netflix keeps flickering in your browser, start by opening your browser's settings. In Chrome, go to System and turn off. Use graphics acceleration when available. Then, restart your browser. Next, check for browser updates by opening the About page in your browser settings and install any available updates. After that, clear your browsing data. Go to Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, then clear cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Restart your browser and test Netflix again. If the issue continues, disable your browser extensions. Open the three dots menu, access extensions, select Manage Extensions, and turn off all installed extensions. Then check if the flickering has stopped. If it does, re-enable the extensions one at a time to identify the one causing the problem. After applying these changes, restart your browser or PC and test Netflix again. That's all for this video. Thanks.